That's right. You are still tuned to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifan Shuku AKZ, and I'm in the studio with National Youth Service Corps members, and we are here to sensitize. We are here to cause social change on some of those vices that, that is eating up our nation, or is, in some way. So, I'm still in the studio with Vera, Alabi, and then Mata. So we are still educating you on the happenings, those social vices that is eating up our society. We have talked about its definition. We explained that illicit drugs, illicit sex, immoral behaviors. Yeah, exactly what we're talking about here. Now we are going to delve into it and then see how this thing is eating up our nation. Let me start with something like exam malpractice. How is exam malpractice affecting the Nigeria? Like affecting Nigeria as as vices.
Just sources law.
Okay.
That's the first thing to say.
Okay.
All right. So I think our exam bodies are just glorified institutions at the moment. Just taking, they collect our government money. Make sure no be like say we no see that for.
You guys are also part of it too. In some ways, corpers are also helping out in exams as well in some areas. Am I not right?
Maybe if we call that our father self is the generalization,
Okay.
because no be everybody.
Okay.
Everybody not sinner. No mean say everybody is sin.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? All right. So we're not saying people don't, and this is the problem. We don't normalize nonsense.
Okay.
You see, and when they talk about when your conscience is seared, how does your conscience get seared? Is that the first time you did it, it pricked you small. You felt bad. The second time you do you don't feel as bad as the first time.
Yeah.
So over time, it just feels normal to you. So now normal thing. Exam malpractice has turned to normal thing.
So how is it affecting our society? Like someone who indulged in this all through schooling period, and then the person got out of school, working in a particular place. How is that malpractice affecting such a person?
Okay, so make I throw this question to you.
Okay.
Would you like your daughter to be treated by a doctor who cheated his way through school?
Nobody will like that.
Nobody will like that. So you will look at the level of quality that we have in Nigeria, the level of service delivery that we have in Nigeria.
Okay.
The quality of people that offer us service, even to the quality of leaders that we have, then it sends a message that we got it wrong somewhere.
Okay.
And they say education is still the key. But if I say the key said don't lost like this, now only padlock get our hand. Because they try open the padlock with
just
key,
like that.
with key we don't lost. You understand? So malpractice has actually brought down our level. Nobody they confident. Even see as people they fly out go get healthcare.
Okay.
Because they don't look and say this one now. They look and say this nurse now. Only God knows if she even sabi chook injection. Maybe she learn, or they don't give her the results. That kind of thing. So it has really brought down the level of quality that we have in the country.
Okay.
Not quality in this country again.
Even the human resources now.
Exactly.
Okay.
Make I shock you.
Okay.
Make I shock you. This same NYC way we did. They post people go PPA, and they say make person send email with attachment.
Okay.
And person they ask say what be
the attachment. I was looking for Bob Marley, that kind of attachment. We've won. Okay. Wow.
So you understand.
Yes, I get it.
You see now, and that one go teach your picking for school, abi?
And also now.
So you see as it matter be.
Okay.
So it has not helped us in any way.
So in that area of exam malpractice now, what are we going to do to curtail it, Vera?
We should start with the educational sector. The school, because most of these things now, it's the head teachers, the principals that are even doing it. They don't want to hear that their school, they are not doing well. Their school, the score was poor. Their school, they don't even check the teachers, whether they are teaching or not. They're supposed to, every morning, you make sure that the teacher, if it is your time, if it is your period, make use of it and teach use the scheme of work and teach. Check them, check what they are teaching. From there, the students, not in the morning, you just relax in your office because you are the principal, you don't even check your teachers. You don't even check your students. You don't want, and also you don't want to have a bad, poor result at the end. These are the things that happens because they don't want to hear that, oh, these schools, they are not doing well. After they will go outside and to schools that makes their WAEC, they will also they will then bribe in their ways. They will pay people to come and engage in this exam malpractice. The students, for them to write, and these students, they don't read because they know that at the end something will come out. At the end, the teachers will help them. They will relax. Even if you have exam tomorrow, you see them playing, chatting, doing everything. They'll be like, forget that, and tomorrow something will come. I have one age there. They will relax. They don't read anymore. Even classwork like this. Even if you come to school, for them to even speak English is a very big problem. They will tell you to use Igbo and teach them. Use Igbo and teach them. They will understand more. Tell me how you use Igbo and teach biology.
Or geography.
Or geography. How will you use it?
Or chemistry.
You see, they don't even help matters.
Okay.
They're just looking for the easy way for them to just get through. The head teacher, the principal should start. Mark your teacher, check what they are doing, whether they are following the right path. From there, the student will pick up.